Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This is April weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo, fire sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Leo, what are the messages for you and what is going on? I think right now, maybe near future, you will undergo some transformation. You will undergo because the hermit mode, spiritual awakening and king of swords. I think in near future, you will be very logical. You will be very emotionally very strong in near future. And you are very straightforward in nature and very honest person. And there will be communication. And that communication is very clear. Maybe you want to express your feelings straightforwardly to other person. So let's say you're reading recent past, Knight of Swords, 7 of Cups and 10 of Swords. So you are in some confusion state in recent past, Leo, 7 of Cups energy and 10 of Swords. So you are in so much pain in recent past. But still one part of you want rebirth in this connection and you still confused because one part want to move on and one part want your person. Maybe you are in separation, you are in no contact situation. That's why you are feeling this way. 10 of Swords energy. You are still confused. You don't know which decision you have to make. But someone is rushing to talk with you. You already received communication from your person and if not in near future you will be because they are in rush. That was past. Present, Ace of Swords, the World card and 9 of Swords. So there is communication is coming, truth, and that communication, I think you will get clarity from that communication because Ace of Swords is communication with clarity and the World card, for some you both live in different cities, different countries, different state because you both are in long distance relationship for some, and 9 of Swords energy. Because you are in this pain, you are getting a lot of thoughts regarding your person, especially when you are alone. You are thinking about them a lot. You are getting a lot of thoughts. Future energies, 10 of Cups, 2 of Pentacles and the Emperor. So you want this happiness from your person, 10 of Cups happiness, but it is not happening. Maybe this is on and off connection for some. So you are juggling also 2 of Pentacles energy. But you will overcome this energy because 9 of Swords, 10 of Swords, 9 of Swords and the Emperor. This is the transformation. You will overcome all this pain. Now you are emotionally very strong, Leo. So let's see your person feelings and actions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy. Then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person feelings towards you first. Then we will see their actions. So Leo, your person feelings towards you. Again King of Swords and 5 of Swords under the deck. Yeah, there are some disturbances between both of you. Maybe they hurt you in past, but now they are very serious about you. They're thinking about very seriously because Princess of Swords, King of Pentacles, they're spying on you. They're wondering about you a lot. and they decided to come back. They're thinking about to come back because Knight of Pentacles, but it is slow moving energy. They're planning to come back. They're thinking about to come back. And King of Swords, but this time they want to give clarity and they want to express their true feelings to you. They know they hurt you in past. So let's see their actions towards you, Leo. Your person actions. Lot of cards. I am not taking any of these. I think your person also still there in some confusion state. Maybe one person in this connection have options. Maybe it could be your person, because Two of Swords with the World card and Seven of Cups with the Two of Swords. Definitely your person maybe have options. They're in some confusion state because they have to choose between them. And Four of Swords energy, right now your person thinking about you a lot. They're wondering about you a lot, but they're juggling. Definitely there is juggling. And the World, again this could be long distance relationship. For some they say the same cycles repeating between you and your person again and again. I am not seeing any proper action here. They're thinking about to come back. They're thinking about you seriously, but in action wise they're juggling still, Leo. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they're stuck, they're confused, they're juggling. Maybe your person is already financially stable. If not, they are also working towards their career and goals. Nine of Pentacles energy and Five of Cups, they're feeling sad for the separation. And it's you. See, Page of Cups. Maybe they want to come back with an apology and you are concentrating on your career, especially Leo. You focused on your abundance, on your self-growth. You're totally focusing on your career. Queen of Pentacles energy. But they will come back with an apology. But it will take so much time, to be honest. Because right now they are juggling. They're confused. They're in confusion. King of Swords and King of Cups. It's you and it's your person, maybe in my view. But energy could be vice versa. You stand by your power. Now you are very logical. You are not emotional anymore. But they maybe for some your person ready to offer their love to you. But I am saying it will take so much time. Because right now your person is Four of Swords energy still. Then there is some confusion. For some it could be long distance. So let's see your overall energy, Leo. For the week. Yeah, maybe this person's toxic with you. They're playing games with you. For some, you're still waiting for them. There is no equal give and take in this connection. You are feeling stuck when you are with this person. Because there is no equal give and take. They are keep putting you in waiting mode. That's why maybe you decided to move on from this person. Because Nine of Swords energy. I think this connection is not good for you, Leo. Because lot of anxiety, depression, causing lot of resistance in this connection. Definitely they are sneaky. For some, really this person is toxic for you. So take what messages resonates you. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Communication is coming. They're feeling sad, missed opportunity with you. For some, your person have ego problems also. And Queen of Pentacles, they are also career oriented person. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Leo. A new romantic cycle begins. And take time to breathe out. So for some, definitely a new romantic cycle begins, but it will take time when especially new moon in Libra. And take time to breathe out. So if you are busy with your work, you are feeling overburdened, it's time to take break from your work. from your burdens. So I am seeing that your person still confused, feeling sad but still confused. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much.